I'm pretty hard on my kids, and I think you should be the same. We all know the examples of kids in public places being completely out of control, not being able to contain their emotions or their rage or their anger, and then parents standing around it, dumbfounded, not knowing what to do. And if we're talking about a child that can already speak, and this is still happening, this is parental failure. You've missed some stuff, and you need to correct that. Because the reason why I'm hard on my kids, because the outside world is way harder. I see so many people treating their kids with velvet gloves, protecting them from everything, making sure they're never hurt. Whenever they bleed, they get the alcohol out and the little Band-Aid, and I don't do that. If my son falls and he scratches something, I usually say, "That's awesome. Pain is weakness leaving the body. I wish I had scratched my arm. That's great, man." If he's bleeding, I'm asking, like, did you hit like a big artery? Are you squirting out? If not, you're gonna be fine. And I do it not to be cruel. I do it because whatever they are going to face later on in the outside world is going to be at least as cruel and probably worse, a lot worse. And so many people come into the workforce now, into society now. They grow up super protected in a sort of a golden cage with all of the walls being padded. And then they get thrown out into the real world in whatever capacity. Maybe they move out, maybe the parent dies, maybe they get a job and have to perform for the first time, and find out that all the golden cage, padded walls bullshit was just that. Real life isn't like that. We should be subjecting our kids to pain and hardship and struggle. Again, not in a psychopath, idiotic way, but in a way that makes sense, where they get a taste of whatever that is. And that's the main reason why I'm hard on my kids, because the outside world is going to be way tougher. So toughen them up. Let's raise strong sons and daughters. The world needs them.